Let me ask you something. As I think about your journey into the cryptocurrency space, I remember when you first got bullish on Bitcoin, you were irresponsible.
Generally speaking, listen, I understand there's a philosophy to the space, and people want there to be, Bitcoin at the base center of money, and that may end up playing out over time. But my job is as an investor, not a philosopher. And my job as an investor is to look for better returns. So a long time ago, about a year and a half ago, I switched most of my Bitcoin holdings into ETH, and then I bought a basket of alts to get different exposure to different parts of the market, because you don't really know what's going to get traction and what's not. So over time, I continued to reallocate my Bitcoin into ETH. I always wanted to keep a bit of Bitcoin because you want to, cheer for the team as well. But also, the thing that I get Bitcoin maxes hate me for is this is a network and a community. If you are fundamentally awful to people joining your community, people want to leave. And I think the network growth in Bitcoin has been slower than people have expected, and this is one of the reasons. I mean, institutions just don't like this kind of stuff. The toxicity that can exist. I mean, there's tons of good people in Bitcoin, and I understand the philosophy, and if that's your point of view on the philosophy, great. But don't attack other people, because then it becomes like a religion, and they become exclusive and not inclusive if you're not careful. And that's the issue I had. So I always want to retain some Bitcoin, but it's not going to be my core holding unless I think it's going to outperform, which I don't think it will.